And HomeSmart itself, the brand of HomeSmart, it is nationwide.
Nationwide brand, opened in 2000.
Oh, okay, so it's young.
Yeah, well, we're the first 100% based brokerage in the country. Everybody else that considers themselves 100% is really just kind of imitated. We offer definitely the best technology and everything to support our agents compared to the other 100% based brokerages. And it's no knock against the other 100% based brokerages, but most of them are what we like to call just kind of license hanging centers, where an agent just hangs their license there, and then when they do a deal, and then they get paid, their commission with a small transaction fee. Here at HomeSmart, agents pay a small transaction fee on every deal, whether it's a $10 million deal or a $500,000 deal. The transaction fee doesn't change. So that's something that agents also appreciate, is they know exactly how much they're making. They're not giving up a large portion of the commission to the brokerage. And we offer more than most brokerages do as far as what we give our agents.
And you have a podcast, BS.
No BS. Yeah, we have a podcast, No BS podcast. The No BS stands for No Broker Splits, right? Because HomeSmart, we don't do any broker splits. We are 100% commission, like I said, with a small transaction fee. And it's something that I preach about all the time. You'll find myself, I talk to agents every day at networking events. They tell me where they're at, and listen, we're not for everybody. I say that all the time, right? We come across agents that want to join us, and we got to turn them down because they just don't fit our culture or what we're looking for in an agent, right? So we look for certain things in an agent, and we want to make sure that they're going to mesh with our culture, right? So if you're going to walk into our brokerage and say to me, I want 100% commission, I want an admin to upload my MLS, I want you to send out 500 postcards on my new listing, I want you to pay for my photography, listen, then that's probably not a place for you. This is why we're saving you $4,000 or $5,000 a deal, so you could take that few $100s that it's actually going to cost you and do that yourself the way you want to do it, right? Because you're the brand, not the brokerage. You're the brand.